Welcome to Pay Funds, your trusted crypto wallet. Today, we're diving into the markets section to show you how to track, analyze, and understand different coins and their performance. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version before you start exploring. When you open the Markets tab, you'll see a list of all coins along with their market cap, total volume, and rank. This gives you an instant view of which coins are popular, stable, or trending. You can use filters to sort coins by highest cap, lowest cap, gainers, losers, or the top 100 coins. This helps you make informed decisions and spot potential opportunities without getting lost in the chaos. Tap on any coin to open its price chart. You can view price changes for 1 day, 7 days, 1 month, or 2 months. Indicators like MA, EMA, MACD, and RSI help you understand trends and analyze the market technically. You can show or hide indicators easily just by tapping on them. Using these charts lets you predict trends and make smarter trading or investment choices, all within your Pay Funds app. Each coin also shows its blockchain details. You can add it to your wallet and securely track it. Wallet Connect lets you manage all your coins in one place, so your portfolio stays organized and under your full control. In the Analytics section, you can see buy and sell signals, strong or weak trends, holders data, and volume data. This is perfect for long-term tracking and planning your investments strategically without having to check multiple sources. The app also shows platforms for each coin, available trading pairs, and the latest crypto news. This helps you understand where a coin is listed, how it performs on different platforms, and keeps you updated with the latest market movements. Checking these details before making decisions can save you time and help you invest wisely. That's how you can navigate the market section in Pay Funds, track your favorite coins, analyze trends, and stay informed. Always remember, understanding the market is the key to smart investing. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Pay Funds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.